check gone wrong, insurance scam, road rage, bad drivers, instant karma, car wins. So let's get started. The four-wheeler from the right comes in front of the submirror and checks the brakes. The insurance company held the other driver 100% at fault. This car decided to break the rules of the road and drive illegally. The white car honks and turns left, but the other car decides to start road rage and goes off the road. This cyclist kicks the cab and the driver decides to hit the cyclist, but his pants come off. Walking pedestrian, instant karma. This man decides to hit the driver of the black car ahead, but he did not realize that all the events were being observed.
Oh no!
Later, the local police arrested the man. These three men decided to attack the red car. The cop was present nearby. The driver of this car, while showing his anger, forgot that he was driving and thus suffered such karma. This road racer decides to fight with the cyclists, but ends up unexpectedly.
Close enough! How big is that? Do you need to drive with the road? You're lucky that I didn't hit you, didn't you?
That's very interesting. You're on camera. I'm going to put you on YouTube.
Put me on where you like, I'll kill you.
You're on camera.
Excuse me. I like that road. I'm taking your camera. Right.
The car behind decides to road rage, but while he was backing up, his car went off the sidewalk, and see what happens next.
See that guy trying to overtake me in the bike lane? Look, now he's up on it.
A driver trying to pull a fast. One is stopped in his tracks by a pickup truck who is sick of his dangerous driving.
Nope. Nope. Look at this dude. Nope.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lip.
This car on the right side tries to take revenge by coming forward from the left side and checking the brakes, but he enjoys karma. Guy got mad because Sammy was too close to his car, so he deliberately caused an accident. Both the court and insurance ruled it's other car fault. Driver of a Ford escape gets impatient unmarked police car, breaks it and gets lit up. The driver of the black car in front got angry for no reason and decided to show his anger by stopping the car and getting out. Each time one of the road racers do something, they are hit with the instant karma that gets crazier the longer it goes on.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
Oh, you spit at him! Oh, hit his car! Oh! Oh!
Could this possibly be insurance fraud? Brake check on major highway, no cars in front. This reckless driver illegally decides to road race on the highway, but he didn't realize the cops were there and chasing him.
Look at this dude, man. Going in there.
Bonk. Bonk.
Uh-oh. Get him. Get him.
Pay attention if you're following too close. Maybe more of an overreaction to brake lights than an actual brake check. This guy in silver Nissan sees David coming and slows down on purpose to block David in front. Idiot then speeds up after David passes him and attempts to brake check David and loses control. The other car decides to check the brakes in front of the submitter and check the brakes hit the rail car. Driver follows too close and this happens. This car decided to disobey traffic rules and was immediately caught by the police.